A total of 9,000 bottles of phensedyl worth 90 lakhs was seized by the Assam Police from a vehicle number AS-01MC-8580 in front of the Churaibari Police Watch Post on the Assam-Tripura border that was coming from out of the state, early on Friday morning based on confidential sources. According to the sources, it is known that a secret information was sent to police in charge of Churaibari Watch Post that a vehicle containing a large amount of phensedyl was coming towards Churaibari from out of the state. Meanwhile, the Assam Police, who were on duty at Churaibari Watch Post on the Assam-Tripura border, stopped the vehicle with number AS-01MC-8580 that was coming from out of the state. Assam Police then started searching for the vehicle and recovered 9,000 bottles of phensedyl from the secret chamber. The market value of the recovered phensedyl is said to be approximately 90 lakh rupees. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.